Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Teaching Learning with Purnima once again. And today I have brought an interesting topic for you. It is little confusing also because I have seen mostly people getting confused about whether to use will or shall in a particular situation. First of all, let me tell you, and I hope everybody knows that will or shall is used for future tense. All the future tenses. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now let me tell you the difference. Where to use will and where to use shall. Generally we use shall with I and we. That is first person pronoun. First person pronoun singular and plural. And for other pronouns you, they, she, he, it, we use will. But this classification is not very strictly followed in certain situations. We use shall and will as per the moods or conditions. I hope everybody knows that will and shall are modal auxiliaries and they are used for specific moods and situations. Will is used for certainty, when somebody is certain to do something or something is certain to happen, when we are confirmed to do something, when we are assured to do something, when we have decided or planned to do something. In such conditions or situations we use will. And shall is used when we make a promise, when we hope to do something, when we request somebody to do something, suggest, or when we offer our help to someone. One more thing which is very important when we use shall or will, that shall is more formal. In literary cases, in literary usage we use shall. And when we try to be formal, more nicer, little different from normal conditions, there we use shall. And will is used more commonly and more frequently nowadays. As I have already told you, will is used for certainty, confirmation, assurance, decision, or plan. But this is not it. There are more things to know. It is more common and generally used with friends, family, and everyday life. It is mostly used in spoken language, that is very normal language. In general cases, in general conditions, we use will. Now one by one, let me tell you the usage of will along with the examples. When we decide to do something, it means when we are sure to do something. हमने कोई decide कर लिया है और वो काम हमें करना ही है. I have decided that I will do something. And in such case, we use will. For example, I will have a glass of orange juice. I have decided to have orange juice. There may be many other options, but I have decided to take orange juice. She will lie down for some time as she is tired. She was tired, that is why she decided that she will lie down for rest. So that is her decision, and in such cases we use will. Will is also used to express the plan of the speaker. There is not much difference between plan and decision. When we plan something, after a process of planning only, we decide to do something. I will consult a specialist for my eye problem. I have planned to consult a specialist because I have been going through eye problem. That is why I plan to go and consult a specialist. I will not go for a walk as it is very humid. Because of humid time, I planned that for that time I will not go for walk. So there is an element of assurance also, certainty also. Someone has decided and someone is sure to do something. In such cases, we use will. When speaker is assured or confirmed to do something, I will clean my room. I will pay your telephone bill. I have decided and I'm sure that I will pay your telephone bill. This is my assurance. I am assuring someone. I am assuring you to pay your telephone bill. Will is also used when we request somebody to do something. Will you bring my bag, please? So this is my request to someone. Here, let me tell you, this is very general and informal request. This is not formal request. And in formal request, we do not use will. When we promise to do something to our friends, there also we use will. I will help you in the science assignment. I will help you in the science assignment. So this is my promise to my friend, and that is why I am using will. Now let me tell you where and how to use shall. These days shall is mainly used to ask for favor. If we ask someone to do some favor to us, to make some promise, to give suggestion to someone or some people, to make offer, if we want somebody's help, or if we offer our help to someone, there we use shall. Here I just would like to repeat what I told in the very beginning, that shall is used in more formal conditions. It is also used for literary usage and when we try to be nicer to some people, there we use shall. To make formal or polite request, we use shall. For request, we can use will also. Will you please do this for me? Will you please help me? Here, when we talk about polite or formal request, that time we should use shall. Shall we go for a coffee, please? It means the request is little nicer, maybe a little more formal. It can be romantic also. So shall is also used for polite request as well as polite or formal suggestions. If we want to make a suggestion and we want that the person should not get hurt without hurting the person's sentiments, we can say, shall we go and clean the community park? Now this request we cannot make in a very rude manner, and that is why we should use shall. We may look little more nice. To make a promise, I shall always be there for you. This is little nicer promise. This little hopeful. There is a hope and there is a little romantic environment also. I shall always be there with you. To make an offer of help. Shall I call the cab for you? Here again I would like to repeat, if you want that people should not get hurt or people should feel nice, there we use shall. If somebody is not able to do something and you offer your help, then you can say, shall I do it for you? Without hurting somebody's sentiments. To hope for something good. For example, we shall win this competition. There is a little difference. When we use will, there is confirmation. We have confidence on ourselves. But here, shall shows our hope. We shall win this competition. We shall meet again. We can ask it in question mark also. Shall we? When shall we meet again? Or shall we meet again? So for such kind of situations, we should use shall. Let me repeat again that will is used when you are assured or confident, or when you have decided to do something, we should use will. And when we are hopeful, when we make a formal or literary usage, we should use shall. Thank you. Bye-bye. Keep learning with me. Keep watching my channel.